So, welcome back, guys. So I'm bringing you along with me tonight, just a single camp tonight, one night, sorry. And I've got the landowner's permission here, so I've basically got the entire woods to myself, which is brilliant. It's taken me quite a while to set up because there was so much rubbish on the floor, so I've had to kick all the old dead leaves away. But yeah, I'm pretty much there now. So I thought, yeah, it's definitely time for a beer. It's a well-deserved beer today. I can't believe how mild it is for November. I think it's about 16 degrees today. Crazy. So what we got here, we've got neck oil. I've had these before, but they're lovely. Yeah, looking forward to this. Oh, that's good. Cheers. So yeah, got some nice food tonight. I've got a smoked bacon joint. I'm going to roast that in the oven. Hopefully it's not going to be too hot in there. And I'm going to have that with just some mash, some buttery mash. And I've got a few different beers as well tonight to try out. Might get the fire pit lit. Yeah, just chill around the fire pit really. And tomorrow morning I'm going to cook, I can never say this word right, sakshuka? I can never say it right. So yeah, I've got all the stuff for that, and I've not cooked it before, so I thought, something a bit different. So yeah, I've got the whole woods to myself, so I'm just gonna chill out and enjoy the peace. Cheers. So I've retreated to the tent for a bit. It's just started to rain a little bit. Nothing too heavy, but I didn't want to sit out there and get wet. So yeah, now I am on my second beer, which is a Brewdog Pinball. You see that? Not tried this yet. Oh yeah, that's nice. 8% though. God, you wouldn't want to drink too many of those. Yeah, so I'm just going to chill out for a little bit, and then I need to peel some potatoes for dinner. Yeah, it shouldn't take me too long. And then I might start the fire pit outside. Hopefully it stops raining. It'd be quite nice to sit out there later on, just have another beer and chill out. Yeah, so I'll catch up with you in a bit. So as I got the stove going, safety first, I thought I'd better get the old carbon monoxide alarm on. Oh. We're all good, I think. Okay, so it's about 5 o'clock, so I'm thinking I should probably get on and peel some potatoes. Get off. Okay, so we need to get the thermometer in there. If I can do it without falling off my chair. Ah! Perfect. Right, well, dinner is cooking away nicely. Time for another beer. And this is one I've not tried yet. Brewdog Juicy Shake. Give it a whirl. Oh yeah, they just keep getting better. Just can't get over how quiet it is here. All you can really hear is the pheasants, and they're noisy little things as well. Yeah, love it. Ouch, it's hot. Oh wow, that bacon does look good though. And of course, it's got to be Frank's. Well guys, that's me done. I think I'm going to go and watch a film in the tent, and I'll see you in the morning. Okay, good morning. Well, I was in bed I think I got into bed about 9:15 last night, really early. I thought I'd watch a film and stuff, but yeah, I must have been straight out like a light, and I didn't wake up till, I think I woke up about 6 this morning, so yeah, I've had a really, really good night's sleep. It's just so peaceful here. There's just nothing to wake you up. I mean, the pheasants were a little bit noisy this morning, but yeah, really nice. I could get used to this. I'm definitely going to come back here again, 100%. So I'm going to get some breakfast on in a minute because I'm starting to get hungry. I think it's about 9 o'clock. So yeah, I need to have a little look how to cook it. I think it's quite straightforward. But yeah, so let's get on with breakfast. I've also got the bacon that I didn't eat from last night, so I'm going to chop that up and throw that in there as well. Going in with some garlic, some cumin, some paprika, quite a bit of that, and for a bit of heat, some chili flakes. Maybe a few too many chili flakes. Put them off for a minute. Let's go in with tomatoes. Oh. In with some coriander. Save a little bit for when it's done. I think we're almost there. Gonna let that reduce down a little bit more. Let's go in with the eggs. I think I'm just going to do 2. I don't think I'm going to eat more than that. See if I can get them in without breaking them. You never know. But no. What is it with me and eggs? Oh, we got one in there. So I've got a nice loaf to go with it. I'm just going to put it in the oven just to warm it through. I don't think it's going to take long. Now just a bit of feta on the top. Well guys, breakfast. Oh my god, that looks good. Got a feeling this is going to be like molten lava. Oh, and the egg's still runny. Okay guys, I'm pretty much done now. Just waiting for the stove to cool down a bit and then I can pack that away. I've really enjoyed this camp. Part of me wishes I'd done 2 nights, but I mean 1 night's enough, but yeah, 2 nights would have been nice just to have the whole day to relax and actually have a proper explore, because I mean the wood's quite big here, but a lot of it's like brambles and stuff, so it makes it hard to sort of get round. But I think more time, yeah, definitely have a good look around. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you have, please like and subscribe. Until the next one, see you later.